thanks for watching! If you're ready to take action, click the link in the description below this video now.